Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do block blast glitch. A block blast cheat is any tool, app or method for players to gain advantages in popular puzzle game on Android and iOS alike. By far, the most popular method gaining an edge in Android and iOS mobile games is the use of a modified game client in the form of APK mods and iOS modded apps. These are modified repackaged version of the original app created by professional software engineers through decoupling and reverse engineering. This accessible cheating method is easy to use but needs frequent updates to match each block blast game update. Another popular way to get better scores and more trophies in block blast is the use of memory editors and data editing tools. These tools can be used to manually modify game memory and save game data and files and even levels. The most popular tools used are apps like Game Guardian, Cheat Engine, GameCam, or App Data Modding tools. This can easily be used to modify your score, value and trophies as long as these data points are still processed client-side on your mobile device and not any game service. The app can also be patched using apps like Lucky Patcher or Jazzy Patcher to remove ads and activate other powerful features. Another method that is becoming more and more powerful and usable in puzzle games like Block Blast is the use of AI chatbot to solve the puzzle more effectively. By simply taking a screenshot and describing the problem to an AI chatbot like ChatGPT or Gemini, this can be present player with effective solution to many puzzles. While at this moment, this way of solving mobile game puzzle is not 100% effective yet, this will get more powerful over time. AI will be able to see your screen in real time. Creating bots to play Block Blast is possible but usually not worth the effort for an offline single-player game. They may store important values online in the future as many successful mobile games have done before. While it may be tempting to use hack or cheat in a Block Blast, it's important to remember that using such methods can result in consequences like being banned from the game. It's best to play fair and enjoy the game as intended. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.